Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are celebrating the latest release from Alex Syberia Design, and I will be creating two cards using this beautiful die set called Joyful Poinsettia, and this is right up my alley. I really enjoy making cards like this and using well thought out dies like this. So off camera, this took a while. I spent some time coloring in, cutting out some flowers here and some leaves, and then I'm just using a pen, or you can also use a bone folder or whatever you have, just to give the leaves some dimension. And yeah, I spent some time doing that, and you can see here I have a leaf that I will also cut apart to have some different shades to the leaves. And yeah, I'm just tucking them in here and there where I think they look good. So you will see here how I am also building dimension with some foam squares, and doing that in a combination with liquid glue. I'm having some trouble here with my glue gun, so I am just fighting with that until I have everything sort of ordered again. And then I'm doing another flower. You can see I have a pink there also. So I really like these color combinations. And I also cut out, there is some leaves in this set, or sprigs or whatever we're gonna call it, in gold, matte gold cardstock. And for the sentiment I cut a shadow piece out of vellum, and then the main focal point here, the joy die, out of the same matte gold cardstock. And for the berries in the middle, I also cut them out of some gold, the same gold gold matte cardstock from Altenew. And I just enjoy watching these come together. You can see I having a couple of different sizes of the berries here, so some are smaller and some are larger, depending of which size the flower is. I'm just using my jewel picker here and putting them down. And now comes the fun part here, just adhering everything together, making sure that they look good. And yeah, this was a really fun card for me. I really enjoy making cards like this. You can see I'm fighting a little bit. I had a lot of dimension. As I said, I will be creating two cards, so this is my second card that we are attaching now. And for this one I wanted some white on white here in the background, and I'm using the new Snowflake Petals cover die. You can see how beautiful that is on top of that white card base. And I will create another large flower here. I will just have one in the center. So I have some leaves that I cut out just to fill in the arrangement here with some different shades of that teal cardstock. And I'm creasing all of the leaves here once more. And then we will put everything together with dimension this time as well. So I really enjoy this. And by the way, when we are celebrating this release, this video is a part of a blog hop. No, not a blog hop, a video hop. So I will have everything linked down below, how you can go ahead and win some prizes. And also the next person in line will be the first link down below. And all of the products that I'm using will also be listed down below if you want to go over to Alex Syberia's website and check those out. I highly recommend you doing that, because I know this will be another really fast selling one. I enjoyed this so much, and I was so happy to be able to create with these amazing products. So I'm just tucking those gold leaves around, and for the sentiment for our first card I wanted to fill out all of that white space that we have down in the right corner. So I used the new Noel die, and I cut it out of the same bluish teal cardstock with some gold on top of it, just to coordinate with everything else going on here on the project. So here is a closer look at our two projects. I hope you enjoyed this video, got inspired, and maybe want to create something similar. If you like this, please give this video a thumb up, and maybe considering subscribing to my channel, and yeah, leaving a comment, and you have a chance to win some prizes. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!